Hi, I'm Brielle Benyon for Heal Magazine, your guide to living well after cancer. Here's what's inside our summer 2019 issue. Financial toxicity has become an additional burden to cancer survivors. The cost of care continues to rise as newer therapies come into play. In this issue, you'll hear from two survivors who felt the distress of medical bills piling up and how they dug their way out of debt. Plus, we offer resources that patients and survivors can turn to. Next, after she lost her husband and sister to cancer, Couric turned her pain into purpose by becoming a major advocate for advancing cancer research. In an interview with Heal, she shares life's new normal and the advice for her younger self. And beat lasting side effects with food. The authors of Living Kitchen offer easy-to-make meals and snacks that can help fight sore mouth, depression, and fatigue. To read these stories and more, visit curetoday.com/publications and click on the latest Heal cover. Or ensure you don't miss a story when you subscribe to our new issue alerts. Visit curetoday.com/email-profile for more information. And as always, thanks for reading.